we've tried to do is rewrite the copybook, provide a four-wheel vehicle with incredible stability and manoeuvrability so riders can ride with confidence. Dragonfly is more than just a journey from A to B. It's all of your life experience rolled up into one vehicle. I just can't wait to see everybody around the world riding Dragonfly.
With the costs of transportation rising, e-scooters are becoming more attractive, but finding an electric scooter that suits you best is tough. You're often stuck between an off-roader or a commuter. Off-road scooters are fun to ride for leisure, but are too bulky to carry around during a commute, while commuter scooters lack the power necessary to unleash your inner daredevil. To solve this problem, SPLACH is proud to introduce the all-new SPLACH Twin, the most affordable all-in-one solution for adventurous rides and your daily commute. SPLACH Twin features mighty dual motors with a max output of 1,000 watts times 2. It's powered by a 15.6 amp-hour battery, which allows it to accelerate up to 28 miles per hour within 4 to 6 seconds, and can travel up hills with a 40% incline. Twin features 3 riding gears and lets you toggle between single and dual motor operation. You also have 2 riding modes, Eco and Turbo. All of these options give you 12 different speed modes to choose from. The fastest mode will surely give you an adrenaline rush, while the slowest mode will maximize your commute distance and allow you to travel over 25 miles. With this kind of mileage, you'll be saving a fortune when you use the Twin over a gas-powered vehicle. We want you to have the most comfortable ride possible, which is why Twin features a front and rear suspension system and spacious deck with amazing ground clearance that helps you effortlessly fly through bumpy terrain. The deck is 7.8 inches wide and 22.8 inches long, and is covered by a non-slip rubber mat which enables a comfortable riding stance. It supports riders up to 220 pounds and has an adjustable stem that can be height adjusted for riders that are 47.2 to 82.6 inches tall. And with the cruise control setting, you can maintain a comfortable stroll and make the battery last even longer. SPLACH values innovative technology to be combined with their products, which is why the Twin features a front compartment for an Apple AirTag on the stem, so that you can always know where to find your scooter. There's no limits to your adventure with the puncture-resistant 8x2.5-inch solid fat tires, which allow you to travel on multiple terrains. And with an IP54 water resistance rating, you can confidently ride through splashes of water. Its multi-level protection mechanisms ensure that the rider is always safe while riding. Twin's dual mechanical braking system features a front and rear drum and electronic brake, creating responsive braking with great stopping power. And at the push of a button, you can activate the mechanical drum brakes and EABS. The headlights offer high brightness with broad beam angles, allowing you to ride safely in the dark. The customizable multicolored side lights not only look stylish, but increase your visibility to ongoing traffic. Once you're done riding, you can easily fold it up within 3 seconds and put it away in 10. With a weight of 52 pounds, you can easily transport it wherever you go. The SPLACH Twin is the best bang for your buck electric scooter as your weekend joyrider and go-to commuter. With double the motors, you'll get twice the power and twice the safety at only half the price. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to hop on this premium twin motor e-scooter and have the ride of a lifetime.
Are you ready for the ultimate high-performance scooter? A convenient and fun way to get around in today's busy world. This is the Gyroor X3. A state-of-the-art electric scooter with a removable battery that slides out with ease so you can charge it anywhere. The X3 can climb slopes up to 20 degrees with its powerful 700-watt motor, propelling you forward with ease. It can be folded to fit in the trunk of your vehicle for convenience and can be deployed quickly when needed. The Gyroor X3 intelligent app gives you all the important information: lock, unlock, find scooter, rate limitation, and firmware update functions to maximize your riding experience. The X3 has safety and comfort features built in, such as turn signals, 12-inch pneumatic tires, a rear disc brake, and a front fork suspension, perfectly suited for imperfect roads while cruising up to 21 miles per hour. The rugged exterior can withstand tough terrain and is water resistant. Or the perfect tool for a relaxing ride, no matter what time of day. X3 is the ultimate way to get to your destination stress-free, faster, and in style. This is the new Gyroor X3 electric scooter.
For years, we have been thinking, what does a truly portable vehicle look like? How would it change the way we travel? Introducing Blizwheel, the world's smallest electric scooter. Blizwheel is designed to be portable, compact, and lightweight. It can be easily carried on the metros or buses. Plus, it can stand on its own whenever you need both hands. Fold it up and fit in a backpack, leaving more room for all your essentials. And you can partially fold it to tow it along, or fully fold it to pack it away. Blizwheel redefines ultralight transportation, being 70% lighter than other e-scooters. We integrated dual motors into the design, giving you more power and speed. And our mechanical and electrical brakes give you reliable control when riding. So it's very safe to ride Blizwheel even at night with our built-in LED lights. You can securely lock it up and then use our app to lock the motors. We created a unique suspension system to keep Blizwheel as light as possible. Our polyurethane levered damper solution can handle any bump along your way and keeps your ride smooth. So whether you're headed to the office from the parking lot or you're in a rush for a meeting on campus, Blizwheel helps you get where you're going in style. You can even place it inside your carry-on baggage and take it wherever you travel. For the past 3 years, our team has been focused on R&D, working tirelessly to bring Blizwheel to life. Your help can take this revolutionary e-scooter to a whole new level. Back us today and become the first to enjoy truly portable travel with Blizwheel.